Hello world, we are in Batu Belig in Seminyak, and well, that's the Batu Belig area, but on the other side there is the Sayang next to me, and another beach club in Bali is gonna be here, next to Batu Belig. There was actually the area of 707 beach bam long time ago, like 5 years ago, if you are familiar.
Okay guys, so it's raining and then we just arrived in Batu Belig. We plan actually to walk on the beach, but unfortunately it's raining. And right behind me, there is a brand new beach club.
Sayang, stay under umbrella maybe.
It's called Mari Beach Club. Sorry, I'm made of sugar. I will be melted. So just like that, you see behind me there is the still construction of the Mari Beach Club. So I think the next few months will be opening soon. Okay guys, so this is the famous Batu Belig area. Normally, like when it is not raining, there will be umbrellas on the beach, and then there will be some restaurant. I think that this is a locals warung.
This is the area actually of Batu Belig, which is like connecting Canggu with Seminyak, and it's kind of local and foreigner people coming here. It's definitely more local vibe, more hippie vibe, like surf hippie vibe, I could say, something like that. They are warungs. The type of the warungs is like a hut warungs, not like a fancy proper beach clubs or restaurants like next door. And this one is the most popular one, 707. The first one in this area actually, but that was exactly where we start filming this afternoon, where it was the construction of the new fancy beach club.
Okay guys, so this one is the famous Tropicola. It's just like a beach club. Literally this one is beach club. Unfortunately, it's closed. I think it's just closed at the beginning of the pandemic, and still until now it's closed. So yeah, this is the area of the Batu Belig. You see there are some villas, some local restaurants basically. So yeah, this is how it is.
The ladies trying to rescue the dogs, something like that.
Yeah, you see like on the left side, mostly like restaurant, bar, warungs with the music. It's really like in Seminyak vibe. Okay, so this one in the corner, basically this one is the brand new, gonna be the beach club. While the locals, vendors, and here is in the corner will be new beach club. You see, I think that in a few months, this beach club is gonna be finished.
I think, yeah, it's gonna be like that. Anyway, this is the first proper beach club in Batu Belig area, and well, it's actually almost finished, I could say, almost.
Okay guys, so now because it's raining, and then we just want to take you to stroll around the Batu Belig area. So this one is the traffic. If you just turn a left, oops, over there, it's quite busy. This is going to Canggu, and this area is basically Batu Belig.
Yeah, there was the I loved Seminyak. Well, this is like a small road connecting Seminyak, Petiten gets through Canggu, and in the past years developed quite a lot. There was also many popular hotspots like Pink Nails, I don't know, many other stuff.
Yeah, this area is also famous for the massage shop, spa.
Yeah, massage spa, and fancy beauty. Also many things actually, right?
And also restaurant.
Also restaurant. There was on this street was the popular restaurant called Strawberry Fields. Unfortunately, it's closed. We're gonna pass it later on. But meanwhile, it's traffic.
Yeah, this is just like the small, I can say small street, yeah.
It used to be actually small street, like connecting village with village long time ago, but become main street between two hotspots, because Seminyak and Canggu, they are actually quite popular hotspots in Bali right now. Alright, so like I said, this is the area of the Strawberry Fields over here. Very popular hotspot, one of the first restaurants here, unfortunately is totally closed. Also so many developments on the left, on the right. Many buildings are closed, many open. Paragon Hotel, also very popular in this area of actually Seminyak already.
Yeah, so yeah, it's just like, you know, the Seminyak area, you know, and then the another restaurants on the left, on the right side.
Yeah.
What I can say that Batu Belig is more quiet than Seminyak or Canggu, even it is the connecting area.
Yeah, it's basically like basically connecting area. So it's like not many hotels here, and maybe mostly people just passing by. But well, there was long time ago was more popular. This area was more popular a long time ago than it's now. That's for sure. Now it's more likely connecting, and you can still find actually many local vendors, local places.
Yeah, I think that there are many shops also rent here. I mean, like over contract and also open for rent. Maybe because this area is not as, you know, busy. You know, it's not as busy as tourists is not that coming.
Yeah. Anyway, this is already the gate connecting Seminyak with Batu Belig, and this is already Seminyak Petit Tengah area, and it's actually quite busy over here. If you go right, there will be Petit Tengah. There is the Mi 88, also popular hotspots.
And then you see, I don't know, everything is stuck here.
Sometimes also here is flood, little flood, but not yet, not today. But if it's raining a lot, it will be lucky pole. Lucky boy, actually, the truck. So Livingstone is on the right, like I mentioned already, and also popular hotspot. I believe many of you used to be familiar with this place. But yeah, it's raining, it's traffic, and everything is going slow.
Here we go. So the traffic, basically, I don't know what to say. If it's normal, back to normal, but and then on the right side there is one famous restaurant, Matisse restaurant. I don't know whether it's open or not. And then on the left side, this one is the Monster Spoon, always busy. And then look in front of us. I think that it's gonna be, you see, coming soon, Woodstock, Bali.
Here we go. This is Dama area, also popular nowadays hotspot. It's actually kind of new place. A lot of new restaurants on this street actually in the past few years. The area changed quite a lot, and yeah, we are still in traffic actually.
So guys, I don't know, do you miss the traffic in Bali or I don't know. I feel like mixed feeling, you know, because we are used to be, you know, with the, you know, not so busy on the traffic, but now stuck in the traffic, feeling like now we just, I think this one, the intersection, the famous intersection in Petit Tengah, Kerobokan and Seminyak. But I think that we go straight, honey.
Yeah, we go straight into area of Kerobokan actually. We don't show too much of the area of Kerobokan, so why not? Also changed quite a lot since the past few years. They built like some barricade on the middle of the road, so you cannot do any U-turns and stuff like this. And this is the area very close to the prison in Bali. Maybe not every one of you know Bali have a prison. It's called prison in Kerobokan.
This Kerobokan basically also famous for the residential living area?
Oh yeah, of course, there is the two residential areas. One is Umalas and then is Kerobokan. Kerobokan is huge area actually. A lot of people who are doing something in Seminyak, even in Canggu, or even in Legian, they living in Kerobokan. It's super big area.
Okay, so here actually the behind the building of the Lapas Kerobokan. Oh.
The prison.
Okay, so here is the famous, what is it called? The prison. It's called, even there is a book also about Hotel Kerobokan. I think this one is the biggest prison in Bali. Yeah.
More likely, most of you guys, if you ever passed the street, you remember this huge wall This is also the street leading to Sunset Road and few famous places like Notinuris Ribs and stuff like this. So you must pass this street, especially if you are living somewhere in the area. Well, yeah, there is many also another restaurants. More residential vibe, but still many restaurants, many shops, stuff like this. All right, so that's how looks the situation in Batu Belig Seminyak, Kerobokan today.
Yeah, the traffic is back, so it means that the economy is back. I can say some people already coming on a VOA, maybe tourist visa, something like that, because seems like busier than usual.
At least little bit, at least in this part of Seminyak. Let's see how's the rest of the Bali in upcoming days. And
yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching. It's raining actually. It's time to go home. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.